There's a moment just before the sun breaks the horizon when the world is quiet. And in that quiet, a question hangs in the air, a question you've been avoiding. Is this it? Is this all I'm meant to be? You see the reflection staring back, the same eyes, but the light behind them has dimmed. You tell yourself stories to get through the day, stories about bad luck, missed opportunities, and unfair hands. But the truth is colder and far more simple. Most men don't fail because they're unlucky. They fail because they never stop to audit their lives. They drift, year after year, on a current of comfort and routine, never realizing the waterfall that lies ahead. They operate on autopilot, guided by habits formed in their youth, completely unaware that the warranty on those habits has expired. At 30, life stops giving grace. The easy passes and second chances of your 20s are cashed in. The world stops asking what you're going to be and starts judging you on what you are. The body responds slower. That all-nighter now costs you 3 days of fatigue. The old sports injury whispers a little louder every morning. The engine that once ran on anything now demands premium fuel, and you've been feeding it garbage. Time accelerates. The weeks blur into months, the months into seasons. You blink, and another year is gone, marked only by a forgotten resolution and another layer of dust on your ambitions. And the consequences of bad habits arrive on schedule. The debt from mindless spending, the weakness from skipped workouts, the distance in relationships from a lack of presence. They are the unwelcome guests who have finally come to collect. This video is not for comfort. It's not a gentle pat on the back. There are 1,000 other channels for that. This is a mirror. A cold, hard, unflinching look at the man you are, measured against the man you could be. It's for men who want truth, the men who are tired of the excuses, the men who are ready to stop drifting and start building, the men who understand that to rebuild, you must first have the courage to conduct a brutal, honest audit of your own life. The audit starts now. Gentlemen, Fadi here. We believe strong men create stable families, strong communities, and a better society. This is why we study these principles, and why I made this video for you. It's time for a physical inventory, a raw, unfiltered audit of the vessel that carries you through life. No excuses, no rationalizations, just the hard truth. Ask yourself, and don't lie, are you stronger than you were at 25? Not just in the gym, but in the real world. Can you help a friend move a couch without your back seizing up for a week? Can you lift your own child overhead without a second thought? This isn't about vanity, it's about utility. Can you still run, lift, carry, and endure? Could you run a mile without stopping if your life depended on it? Can you carry all the groceries in one trip, not because you're lazy, but because you can? Be honest. Do stairs feel heavy now? Do you groan standing up? Do you avoid small efforts bargaining with your body? That's a warning, not age. It's neglect. Hesitation taxes every task. A weak frame turns simple chores into emergencies. When life shoves, do you absorb impact or crumble? Strength is insurance for ordinary chaos. Test your foundations today. Sit cross-legged, stand without hands, hinge, squat, and reach your toes. If joints lock up, your world shrinks. Mobility kept is freedom kept. Audit recovery. Do you sleep 7 quality hours? Do you wake restored or wired and foggy? Do you fuel with protein and real food or with impulse and convenience? Your body is the tool that carries purpose. Genetics set limits. Standards set outcomes. Choose training, sleep, and food with intention, daily. Strong isn't gifted, it's practiced, relentlessly. Track reps, track meals, track progress. Small wins compound into power. Discipline audit. Discipline is not intensity, it's consistency under boredom. Ask, or do emotions run your schedule? 3. Skill and competence audit. A man without skills has opinions. A man with skills has leverage. Ask, what can you do that other men cannot? What problem can you solve under pressure? What value do you bring without explaining yourself? Competence is confidence earned, not spoken. Financial responsibility audit. Money doesn't define you, but irresponsibility exposes you. Ask, can you handle an emergency without panic? Are you building or surviving? Do your finances reflect planning or avoidance? Strong men don't chase luxury. They build stability first. 5. Emotional control audit. This is where many men fail. Ask, do you react or respond? Do you speak when you're angry? Do you leak emotion under pressure? Emotional control is not suppression, it's command. Calm men dominate chaotic environments. 6. Purpose and direction audit. A man without direction becomes distracted. Ask, do your days point somewhere or nowhere? Are you building towards something larger than comfort, or are you killing time, disguised as rest? Purpose organizes suffering. Without it, pain feels meaningless. Moral integrity audit. This is the quiet one. Ask, do you keep promises when no one is watching? Do your private actions match your public words? Would your younger self respect your discipline today? We've reached the end of this audit, but this is not an ending. It's a beginning. The raw data is in front of you. The scores are tallied. For some, this moment feels heavy, a confirmation of fears, a stark inventory of shortcomings. You might feel the sting of disappointment, the weight of how far you have to go. Let it land. Do not turn away from it, because this audit is not punishment. It's power. It's the power of knowing exactly where you stand, so you can finally decide where you're going. Look at those scores again. Body, discipline, skills, finance, emotion, purpose, integrity. Every area you failed today is an area you can rebuild, starting now, not tomorrow, not next week. The first step is taken the moment you decide that the man you are is not the man you will be. This isn't about a sudden, miraculous transformation. It's about laying one brick perfectly every single day. It's about the choice to do one more rep, to read one more page, to save one more dollar, to keep one more promise. Remember this: strong men are not born. They are forged. They are forged in the fires of accountability. They are shaped on the anvil of daily, relentless execution. They are tempered by the cold water of honest self-assessment. The man you admire, the man who seems to have it all together, he was once where you are now. He faced his own audit. He saw his own failures. And he made a choice. He chose the discomfort of growth over the comfort of stagnation. He chose the hard path of action over the easy path of excuses. This is your moment to make that same choice. The path forward is simple, but it is not easy. It demands everything. It demands you show up when you don't want to. It demands you choose discipline when motivation fades. It demands you face the truth, especially when it hurts. This is the work. This is the forging. If this audit resonated with you, if it sparked something inside, then take action. Save this video, come back to it quarterly, rerun your audit, and measure your progress. And if you know a man who is ready to stop making excuses and start building, share it with a brother who needs the truth, not comfort. Subscribe for more tools to aid in your reconstruction. Do the work, embrace the process, because when a man rebuilds himself, every part of his life rises with him. His family, his career, his community, they all benefit from the strength he has forged in the fire. Now close this video and get to work.